Hey guys, emptied out my auto loader and was going to dump these primers out into the garbage. I got looking and finding a lot of primers in here that never fired. I don't know how they're slipping by the loader and going in here. But I don't know if you can see that. They're pretty easy to spot. And 4 more to go and I'll have 100. So they're pretty easy because you can see the green or you see no primer hits. So, guys, do what you want, but it might be worth digging through. Like I say, they're pretty easy to spot. It's either that or you can go and hang out with the wife and the kids. So, alright, just wanted to throw that out there. I mean, with the price of primers and how hard they are to get and everything, might be another one there. Might be worth you digging through. If you don't want to dig through them, put them all in a bag, ship them to me, and I'll gladly go through them. And you won't have to pay the hazmat fee. So, it's like I say, it's up to you guys. You do what you want to do. Call me cheap, call me what you want, but there's 100 primers I found, and I'm only about halfway through. So, dig through, or put them in a bag and send them to me. Okay, happy digging, guys.